so good. Make my sausage. The sausages, and we are getting ready to make some hash browns. Hey my gators, we are back with another video on something you can make homemade and from scratch that will save you some money. Now, everything that's made from scratch and homemade is not always a money saver, but this one is a money saver. Sometimes it costs more to make things homemade, and the way things are going in this economy and the way food and stuff is just going up, I wanted to share with you how I feel you can save money on making your own breakfast sausages. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, I do talk back, so talk to me in the comments and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys later, gators. Hey my gators, so I am showing you all the spices that I'm going to be using. The main spice that you want to make sure that is in here that gives it that sausage flavor is the sage and the thyme and the fennel. I love to teach, so it's hard for me to do everything in short form because I feel like I'm missing out. And some people love these videos where you give them more details. Now, if you are looking for a spicy sausage, I love spicy sausage. So I want to put red pepper flakes, and I put lots more black pepper. Now, if you're looking for a spicy sausage, also with a maple taste, you don't have to use maple syrup. You can use maple extract. Now, extract costs a lot more money, so it's probably better to use your maple syrup, which is a DIY maple syrup that I love. I make it in cinnamon butter flavor, all types of flavors, and I do have that in my cooking playlist, which should be in the description box. So the onion powder, garlic, thyme, fennel, and sage, those are the main components, and you also need to add your choice of salt. And that's basically the basics of a sausage. Now, the other items are optional, but they give a different type of flavor. So just play with it, work with it. It's your kitchen, it's your little lab of creating the flavors that your palate is going to enjoy. So just continue watching. It's not a difficult task, and it's something that you can take like a weekend, do it with the children, and just get you either a big thing of ground beef, a big thing of turkey or chicken, ground up, and just make sausage and have them for like months on hand once you freeze them. You'll see me doing all that in here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, talk to me in a Now, once we mix this very well, we are going to take this and put it in the refrigerator. And you can leave it overnight. I would say at least 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours, 3 to 4, 3 minimum. Put it in the refrigerator once you cover it, and you can leave it overnight or just come back in a couple hours and patty it up. I actually left mine overnight. So yeah, now it's time to patty it up. Now, I like mine to be uniform, so that's why you're going to see me using the scale, and I'm going to try to keep them all around the same size, so I'm not making some too big and some too small. They'll be about the same serving for everyone. So I just got these little trays that I thrifted some time ago, and I'm going to put some of my unbleached parchment paper on them, and I'm just going to layer my sausage on these And then from there, after I weigh them, roll them, put them on here, you guys are going to see me put them in the freezer. And I left them in the freezer overnight, and then I came back and you'll see the process of that. So simple. Now tell me, my gators, now you know this is something you can tackle. So now I am on a lookout for finding turkey or lean ground beef. Mainly, I think I want to stick to turkey though. And on bulk, I haven't found any yet. My Sam's is always out, or I didn't want to pay the price. It was a little bit cheaper to get it at Aldi, but I do want to buy it in bulk so I can just take one day and just make a whole bunch of sausage. We love these sausage with oatmeal, cream of wheat, grits, toast, biscuits. I make it with my sausage gravy, the white gravy that goes over the biscuits. Oh my gosh, pancakes, French toast, all of those things. And I know a lot of you like those things as well. So talk to me in the comments, I talk back. Tell me this does not look like something you can tackle. It's not intimidating. It's very simple. It's very easy, and you know what's in it, and you can make it in any way. I have some that are spicy without maple, and I have some that are spicy with maple. So yeah, talk to me in the comments. I talk back. Later, Gator.